We'll guide you through how to fix headphones or earphones not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because perhaps you've gone and connected them, you're trying to use them, and the sound isn't coming through them. We're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try, so let's go and get right into this. What you want to do to go and get started with this is come to the bottom of your computer. There you go and find the Windows button you want to click on and open up your settings. In settings, go to the left and find system. Then in here, you need to go and find sound. First of all, in output, you need to make sure the device is selected and the headphones or earphones. So scroll down the list and go and find them. For example, in this case, I'm using the headset earphones here. So I can then go and select them. Now we can go and see if they go and work. If you're finding them missing from this list here, don't worry, we've got some more fixes in just a moment. With them selected as well, scroll down and make sure they're not muted like this, unmute them, and try increasing the volume as well. Go and see if they work. If you're finding they're not showing in this list here, what you want to do is go and scroll down here, and you want to scroll all the way down, and you need to go and find all sound devices and click here in advanced. Then what you can try doing is going through here, make sure you don't go and see it. If you see it, you can go and click on it and make sure you go and press allow here for audio. That should then go and add it to the list up in the output devices, which you can then go and select it from. And then hopefully it'll go and start working. If you still can't see it there and it's not on that list, go to more sound settings at the bottom here. Then what you can try doing is you can come into playback, make sure that it's not been disabled. So you can scroll through this list and find it. Then you can right click on it and go and press enable. If you can't go and see your disabled devices, right click somewhere and select show disabled devices. Then hopefully you can go and enable it. And then it should go and show up in the output list. If that still isn't working, then what you want to try doing is coming out of here and you want to press search at the bottom, type in device manager like so, wait for this to load. Now what you need to do is you need to go and find audio inputs and outputs. At the top, press the arrow to the left to expand it. You want to go and find if you can see it in this list here. If you can, you need to go and then right click on it like so, and you want to go and press update driver, and you can do an automatic search, and then it'll go and get the best drivers for it, as it can be a driver problem. If you manage to go and update, hopefully now it'll go and work, and you can always try reselecting it in your sound settings as well. If you're still finding that it's not working here, what you want to try doing is right clicking on it, and you can go and press uninstall device, go and confirm your decision, and it'll then go and remove it like so. What you then need to do is go and restart your computer. So you can press the Windows button at the bottom, then press the power button and try restarting it. When it comes back on, hopefully now it's working. If you're still finding it isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is coming back to your settings. So press the Windows button and open up settings. Go to the left and find system, then you can find sound. If you've currently got it selected but it's still not working, try selecting another and then reselecting it. And if that still doesn't work, you want to scroll down here to troubleshoot common sound problems, and you can press output devices. And hopefully it'll then go and detect the problem and help you go and solve it. You need to go and select the device here and go through the process, and hopefully it'll then be able to go and solve it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.